Welcome to Tortilla Takeover. Today we're doing a sweet treat. We're going to make a dessert with flour tortillas. What we're going to make is some blueberry sweet treat quesadillas. Check that out. That's right. We got blueberries in there, cream cheese, covered with sugar cinnamon in there. Look at that. Oh man, does that look good. Here's how I make them, and we'll come back and do a taste. So for these blueberry desserts, I need some cream cheese, and I'm going to say probably about 2 tablespoons. Let's see, I'm going to make a couple of them, so let's go with about half a stick of cream cheese. So that'll be about half. Okay, and then I'm going to add a teaspoon of powdered sugar just to sweeten it up a little bit. And I'll get that all mixed in. I think that'll do it. I'm just going to whip up a little cinnamon sugar. Yeah, I'm going to do a teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay, mix it up. This is going to be pretty easy. I already started up my pan with a little bit of vegetable oil. I've got it on low. But what you want to do is you want to take your cream cheese. Now you can put two teaspoons in if you want to make your cream cheese a little sweeter. But you want to spread about 2 tablespoons of cream cheese on there, which is about half of what I made. And then what we're going to do then is sprinkle some blueberries, since this is a blueberry sweet dessert, and I love blueberries. So blueberries it is. Now what else are you going to put with blueberries that'll make it really good? Well, I like chocolate, so I'm going to add some semi-sweet chocolates in here. Yeah, that's right. Tortilla, blueberries, cream cheese, chocolate chips. Okay. Now all you're going to do is fold it over, and there's our quesadilla. Okay, so that one's mine. Let's make one for Elizabeth. Cream cheese, blueberries, and Elizabeth likes white chocolate, so we're going to put some white chocolate chips in here. Just going to fold this over, and there's our second sweet quesadilla. All right, this one's the chocolate chip one. This one's mine. Just want to go for a minute or two just to crisp it up just a tiny bit. It's been about a minute. Look at that. That looks pretty nice, huh? Nice crispy treat. Go about, depending on how hot your pan is, 30 seconds to a minute, whatever it takes. You don't want to go extra crispy, but get it crisped up. It's been about a minute. Look at that. Looks perfect. Okay. So as soon as you take these off, that brown sugar that we mixed up, you want to sprinkle your brown sugar on there for a little extra sweet taste. I'm doing both sides. Okay, how easy was that? Let me get Elizabeth's done. Okay, how easy was that? Huh? And this was mine. I got the blueberry with the chocolate chips in there, sugar cinnamon. Now you can eat them just like this, or you can go wild and put some vanilla ice cream on it. We're opting just for this tonight, but we will be making these again, and they will have ice cream on them. All right, so here we go. Look at the chocolate in there. Chocolate and blueberries. Oh, all right, cheers. That is definitely a nice sweet treat with a flour tortilla. If you like desserts, if you love tortillas as much as I do, make you a dessert quesadilla, a sweet dessert quesadilla. You can, I mean, the sky's the limit about what you could put in these. Thanks for checking out Tortilla Takeover. I hope you give these a try because they are very tasty. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. And hopefully we'll see you on the next video.